Hey everybody, it's Kelly, and I'm back with this layout of a cute photo of my grandson who, when he was little, he just had crazy paper, or crazy paper, that's paper there, crazy hair. He doesn't any longer. He's 2 now, but it was so cute when he was little. He's still awfully cute though. Anyway, I am using a piece of light blue polka dot paper there, and that is from Creative Memories. It's a collection that is no longer available, and I used that to map my photo. And then I'm going to use that striped paper that's again from the same collections from Creative Memories, or collection from Creative Memories. And then I'm also going to use that navy polka dot paper, which is Echo Park Dots and Stripes. It's the Iceland paper, and I'm going to use that to map the photo. Now, I had kind of put a piece of kind of denim paper between the wood paper, which is Recollections Tree Trunk, and the stripe paper, that Creative Memory stripe paper, but I didn't like how wide the strip is, and I didn't love how it looks. So now I'm going to play with some of the washi tapes from my stash just to see what I think, if I like it or not. And I like that tape, but it, this is a little boy layout. It was a little too sophisticated for that, and a little too watercolor-like for that. So I'm going to continue to play to see if I can find something that I like, and I have a great washi tape container from Recollections, which I do not show you in this particular video, but if you don't have it, run and get it. It stores a ton and it's really easy. So now I'm looking at this tape, and this is from Little B, and it has a silver triangle. It's a bunch of triangles, and in spots that silver triangle was worn off where it where the other tape was on top of it. So I don't love that about this particular tape, but whatever. This may be the first time I've used that. I've had it for a long time and I love it. It's from Little B, if I didn't say that. And then I don't know. Anyway, if I'm looking at this sort of from a distance like I am on the screen preview, that tape almost looks like the arrow is pointing at his picture, so that's kind of cool. It doesn't really look like that in real life. I am playing with some alphabets here. I really liked that alphabet because it was very clean, just like this layout is, but it was too large. So I'm going to go to this cursive glitter font, which is the American Crafts Stickers in the Freedom font, and it's the blue, just the blue color. There's no particular color. So it's kind of nice. Everything else is very straight on this layout, so it is nice that I'm able to get this particular kind of loopy, scripty, more round title on here. Otherwise, if I didn't have that, this whole layout might be just a little bit too square. So now I'm going to work on the rest of my title here, and I'm going to use these thickers, which are the Twilight font. They're the navy foam thickers in navy, and the title is going to be Lock Up Your Daughters. So I would love to take credit for this title, but actually it's my stepson's idea because he often posts photos. He and my daughter-in-law both often post photos from or onto their Facebook pages, and I steal the photos and then scrapbook them, and they know that. That's it. They love that, as a matter of fact, that I do that. So when my stepson posted this photo of my grandson, that's what he titled this. So I'm going to title it Lock Up Your Daughters because I think it's so funny. And goodness gracious, he's so cute here. How could you not need to lock up your daughters, right? Anyway, if you have kids or grandkids far away, nieces and nephews that you want to scrapbook, this is a great way to do it. And my stepkids are of a generation where they're not printing photos. They're all on their phones, and someday they're going to be deleted off those phones, most probably without ever having been printed. So they love it that Grandma Kelly actually, quote, steals the photos from Facebook and prints it. As a matter of fact, this winter I'm going to take apart all my albums and I'm going to give them all of their layouts. And they know they're coming. They just bought a new house a little bit earlier this year and they now have room for them. So they're getting them. And I'm very excited to hand these over because they have no idea how much I've scrapbooked of them and how much of their lives are actually documented. So now I wanted something at that bottom right there just to sort of balance off that photo. So I'm going to put the date of 2017. I'm toying with, I need something at the top as well. And I realized I was going to put my grandson's name and realized I didn't have a small s for Miles. So I'm not going to do that. I'll have to figure out how I'm going to balance this otherwise. Now I am going through the Chamel hashtag sticker book. Those are available all over the place. Hobby Lobby had them originally. I think you can get them at Michael's now and lots of other places. So I'm just trying to find things that I think might work. And at one point, I was thinking about using these letters for something, but I can't honestly tell you what, because I did this layout so long ago I don't remember. So what I did here is I'm grabbing a piece of the washi tape stickers from that sticker book, and I'm going to just add that into the bottom with 2 hearts from these enamel hearts from the Jelly Bean Soup Day-to-Day epoxy stickers, and those are in navy. And then I also am grabbing these phrase stickers. They're clear from the Jelly Bean Soup Day-to-Day clear stickers, the Make It Happen stickers, and those are both planner line stickers from Jelly Bean Soup, but I do love the phrase stickers. All right, so I decided to balance the bottom right by doing something similar in the bottom left. I'll use more of that washi tape sticker. I had put it back in the book, add the Jelly Bean Soup enamel hearts, and then a phrase from the Make It Happen stickers as well. And this is so simple and easy. There's not a story here. It's just a funny photo with a funny caption that my stepson posted, and it's a darling photo of my grandson, so I want this in the albums. And basically, guys, I am all done. Hope you're all well, and I'll be back with another layout again soon. Bye!